नमस्कार। आप सभी को मेरा सादर प्रणाम। Heartiest congratulations to all the Canarites, esteemed customers and stakeholders on the 115th Foundation Day of our beloved bank, Canara Bank. Sri Ambembal Subbarao Pai, the founder of Canara Bank, was a great educationist, social reformer, lawyer, visionary and a banker. Born on 19th of November 1852 at Mulki near Mangaluru, he thought only through education the society and the nation can be empowered. Hence, he started Canara High School in 1891. When a girl child of a society could not come out of her house, at that time he conceptualized that only through educating a girl child, the family, through the family, the society, and through the society, the nation can be empowered. Hence, way back in 1894, he founded Canara Girls High School. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. On 1st July 1906, he founded Canara Bank in Mangalore. The small sapling planted by him today has grown into the fourth largest public sector bank of the country with 10,495 branches, 13,023 ATMs and a global business of 15 lakhs 97,747 crores. On this Founders Day, Canara Bank rededicates itself to the founding principles and ideals enshrined by our beloved founder. Today, the 90,000 strong Canara force rededicates ourselves to our esteemed clients and stakeholders to serve them with dedication, with devotion and with determination and service with empathy and smile. Serving to grow and growing to serve was our adage earlier. Now together we can means we customers and stakeholders we can grow together. On this happy Founders Day, I convey my heartiest congratulations to all the Canarites, esteemed customers and stakeholders, and we assure our esteemed customers and stakeholders that we are here to serve them with a smile, with best of our products and services. Please, thank you for giving an opportunity to serve you, and we beseech your benign support, your patronage and your blessings for our further growth. COVID pandemic is going on. My humble submission to you as advised by the Honorable Prime Minister, let us wear face mask, 2 गज का दूरी का परिपालन भी करेंगे. Let us regularly wash our hands with sanitizer also. Let us be safe and healthy and make our country safe and healthy also. May God bless each one of you. All the best. Thank you.